In primetime news this evening, tragedy. The body of an 8-year-old found after extensive search. Family at odds with police over response time.
Moving downtown, Security Minister announces new police headquarters in West Kingston.
And sworn-in Anne-Marie Vaz takes her seat in Gordon House. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, the number of working Jamaicans has reached a record high. That's according to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, which released its report today. So where are these jobs? I'll tell you later in the business day.
And from business, we go to sports with Spencer Darlington.
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, there are some players who want to represent Jamaica at this summer's FIFA Women's World Cup. These prospective Reggae girls, though, will have to get clearance from the world governing body FIFA. We'll tell you more about it later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, we have the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to questions raised about money spent on NIDS while the law was being challenged?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.